Today we are going to be replacing both the engine air filter and the cabin air filter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one's a 2012, the V6 model. So let's start with the engine filter. So your old one's going to be inside of here, and in here there's two clips, one here and then one back in here. We're going to take both these off. This whole thing you're going to be able to pop out and then just take your old one out. You can see we have a bunch of shit in here. So we're going to clean this out and then you'll put the new one in just the way the old one came out. Alright, so then you can just go ahead and reinstall the new one the way the old one came out. We'll put this back down, get these two ends in line with these two spots. And then we'll put these two clips that we pushed off back on. Now we're going to go ahead and take out the old cabin filter. It's right back there. So just open up your little drawer. And then there's a cover on this. There's a hinge on this right side. Let me go ahead and turn the flash on here. There's a hinge over there and a little tab over here. We're going to pull on this tab and that's going to come off. Wiggle it off. Here's our old air filter. These little corners pull in so you can go ahead and slide it out. As you can see, the old one was pretty dirty here, so good thing we're replacing this. Old dog. So we're going to take this new one and we're going to go ahead and just slide it in the same spot that old one was in. There it is, slid back in. Now we're going to take that black cover, put the hinge on the right side, and then push the clip in on the left side. There's that hinge, and then there's a clip back in. This is now completely replaced, so you are all done.